Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to verify your business email address in Meta Business Suite setting. Right, as you can see, I'm into my Meta Business Suite, and here you will get an option of settings in the left side. You just need to click on it, and then business info. Okay, here you need to scroll, and here my email ID is already verified. Right, if your email address is not verified, you just need to click on edit, and here you can enter your email address and then simply click on save. And as soon as you click on save, you will get a email verification on your email address from Meta site. Right, you can just check out that particular email. Might be most of the chances you will get that particular email in the social section of your Gmail. Right, you can check your social section of your Gmail, and if you have received the email, just simply open that particular email and click on the verification button. Right, and as soon as you click on the verification button, it will ask you, Meta will ask you to log in with your email ID and password. And as you log in into the Facebook account, your email ID will get verified, and when again you will visit this particular section in Meta Business Suite settings, then your email will start reflecting over here. So this is the process of verifying the email address in Meta Business Suite setting. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. You will get our website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can directly purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.